Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we have a trapeze artist initially rotating once each second, okay? And then after that, she reduces her rotational inertia by 3 times. We want to find out the rotations per second after that, okay? So the answer is she will rotate 3 times per second. Okay, so the rotation part is like the omega, okay? And then and we have in this case the conservation of angular momentum. Okay, so which says that I1 omega 1 equals to I2 omega 2. Okay, so when I2 is equal to 1/3 of I1, okay, omega 2 will be 3 times of omega 1 to conserve angular momentum. Okay, so when omega increases by 3 times, then she'll rotate 3 times per second when omega 1 is 1 times per second. Okay, and that's all for this question.